What up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. Davido is in Dubai as he meets the Prince of Dubai. He visited the Prince of Dubai as he was welcomed in grand style. Flavour now Dubai was seen having fun, and he went as far as visiting the Prince of Dubai as he was welcomed in grand. You have seen the massive Rolls Royce Davido and his team came with. They were welcomed. They were seen having a wonderful discussion. I think Davido is really like the way Davido they move when they call him the 001. It's not just all about music; it's also about the link up, the connections, and the rest of them. Davido was welcomed in grand style. Was seen having fun. He also Israel DMW, one of Davido's team, also visited Nigerian Super Eagles footballer Odion Igalo. It was a fantastic one. See how the whole thing went down.
And it's very unlikely that two people will come at the same time. You're one of them. You're only one of them right now. And you use this team. And one is on this side and the other one is on that side. It's up to you if you want to go up and see it. So this is our fourth year. And then I'm leaving another house.
He got no way. They see your man show. When you are big, you are big. Hey, don't big boy. He got no way. I can't bust you. Yeah, that I call busting. Full busting. In your know. In your know. What? Ojo. He got no way. Now you with this one. In your know. What? He got no way. Hey. See coded life. Coded. Emado. What? Emado. You are from Emado. Emado Legi.
Yes, so Ekpoma.
Emado, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
What? He got no. What?
I can see today. Juju.
That don't bust here.
Live in Dubai.
That don't bust here in Dubai. That don't bust here in Dubai. What? Hey. Gallo way.
Juju. Let's be this.
Kai.
Juju.
You are from Emado community in
Yes,
Ekpoma.
Emado.
You be Emado.
Yeah, serious now.
I know your papa house.
Yes, so.
Your papa house. I know from Emado.
Emado, yeah. Uemado.
What? You got no way. Go bejo. You got no way. Uemado, yeah. Uemado, yeah. Where? Bamena. Where? I was sick. Oh, I had the batik. Ta ló sọ pé Osime. Oh, what can I say? Batik. You okay, sir? Bamena. Hey. Where? Batik. Ta ló sọ pé ta ni kinikan.
Flavour has been on tour in the US and also Canada, and since then all his shows has been a massive success. Like, he has been a total shutdown, giving astonishing performances in the process. I'm really proud of how Flavour has been really consistent.
You just put the pan here and you start. And even if you remove the pan and put your hand, it's fine. Yeah, it's a new technology.
Stove.
Yes. It's new technology. When you put the pan, you cook. Even if you remove the pan, immediately put your hand, you don't get smashed. And then here you have it comes out. He's going.